strength and conditioning is all about core and legs. So to start, you're gonna do every 2 minutes for 10 minutes total. So it's 5 sets of 5 back squats, 20 butterfly sit-ups. With the back squats, do 2 to 3 warm-up sets. Start somewhere around like 60 to 65%. For me, I started around body weight, and then if you want to build a little bit for the 5 sets, that's okay. But the idea is that you have 5 working sets at a pretty moderate weight. So with back squats, we're doing high bar. You're going to set it right on the meaty part of your traps, not on your neck. We're locking in, we're breathing and bracing each time before you do a rep. Breathe, brace, then we squat. So here's what it looks like. You do 5 of those, then you're gonna go right into 20 butterfly sit-ups. If you don't have an ab mat, it's fine. You can just do the ab mat sit-up without the mat. You're gonna do 20 of these. Whatever time is left over in that 2 minutes is your rest time. The next 2-minute marker is when you start your next set. So you have 5 sets every 2 minutes, 5 back squats, 20 butterfly sit-ups. Second part of this is going to be the posterior chain. So we're going to work on hamstrings, glutes, low back, and upper back. You're going to do 4 sets of 8 Romanian deadlifts, supersetted with 20 low banded rows. So the reason we're supersetting this with low banded rows is because in the Romanian deadlift, the stabilizer muscles that are working in your back are going to be utilized with low banded rows. So we're just making sure those are activated and strengthened. Romanian deadlifts, loading the hamstrings, squeezing with the glutes. It is a back exercise, but we're not pulling with our back. We're pulling with our hamstrings and glutes. So when you load, before you pull, you should feel your hamstrings and glutes loaded, not the low back. So it's gonna be right over the toes. You're gonna breathe and brace your core. Squeeze your hamstrings and glutes. Control it coming back down. Just like that. The difference between Romanian deadlift and traditional deadlift is you have more of a narrow stance. You're not bent here. You're pushing your butt back, squeezing your glutes. You're gonna superset that, 20 banded low rows. This isn't about weight. This is about isolated contractions. So we're here, slow, squeeze, come back up, squeeze. You're probably gonna feel your hamstrings while you're doing this because it's still loaded. You're doing 20, nice and controlled. Then you're gonna rest for about a minute, repeat for 4 sets total. All right, so the way conditioning works is you're going to do 2 sets, 1 set, 30 calories on the bike for women, 35 calories on the bike for men. If you don't have a bike, you can do calories on the row. If you don't have a row, you can do a 400-meter run. You're gonna do a buy-in of the calories, then you're gonna do 3 rounds of 30 double unders, 10 barbell front squats. You're gonna go back and forth. When you complete 3 rounds, you're gonna rest for 2 minutes, and then you're gonna do that all again. Calories on the bike is a buy-in, then 3 rounds of 30 double unders, 10 front squats. So, set a timer. As soon as the timer goes, your buy-in that you're only doing 1 time, 30 calories on the bike for women, 35 for the bike for men, or rowing. As soon as you hit the calories, you're hopping over. Doing 3 rounds of 30 double unders, or you can't do double unders. You're doing 60 singles. As soon as you finish the jump rope, drop the jump rope, 10 front squats. When you finish the 10 front squats, back on the jump rope, back on the front squats. After the 3 rounds, you have a 2-minute rest. Then you're starting with calories on the bike and 3 rounds. That's it.